Today we are showing how to make whipping cream just with milk, especially to make toppings on the coffee, fruits and other desserts. To start with, we would need 1 cup full cream milk and half cup of castor sugar. Heat the pan and add the full cream milk. Make sure to keep on low flame to avoid getting the milk burnt. You could see a creamy layer has been formed on the top. Collect it into a bowl. Once you have collected the cream, boil the milk on low flame and collect the creamy layer as shown before. Repeat the steps till the milk has reduced to a considerable amount and you could get almost 1 cup of cream. Here is the collected cream. Now let's chill it for minimum of 4 hours. This is how the cream looks after we have kept in the fridge chilled. Also, I have put in the bowl as well as the hand mixer, so then the whipped cream will be more easier to whip. This measurement for whipping cream is just to use as a topping on fruits or pancakes or coffee. If you want to use it for frosting, please do take around 4 cups of full cream milk. Do add in some sugar. Keep blending on high for at least 10 minutes. You could see now a little bit of peaks have been formed. Since I'm using it as a topping, I'm gonna stop it. This is how the consistency is for topping, you could see. But if you want to use it as a frosting or you want soft peaks, do blend it for a minimum of 15 minutes. Now the last and the final step. I'm using a homemade piping bag. In that I'm gonna slowly put in the cream and form it as a topping. Do let us know how did it go by commenting below. Also don't forget to like and subscribe, and also do tune in for more.